Here we are in the final days of the course. Once finished, I'm sure you'll be excited and relieved. But for now, it looks like we got some work to do. I've reviewed all your drafts, and so far, they're really good and on point. Many teams, however, need to revisit the rubric criteria. This includes not just an identification and analysis of what's in those rubric criteria, but a real evaluation and synthesis of the information into your scenario planning project. A good place to start would be to present relevant theories concerning these rubric criteria, such as organizational theories, scenario planning theories, theories concerning technology, culture, or just ideas concerning different aspects of the constructs of the rubric criteria. These theories can be found in your texts and in the PDF files presented throughout the term. And remember, once you identify and analyze these different theories or ideas, you need to go back and evaluate them and synthesize them in order to connect them with your scenario planning project. The question is, why are they important to you and your dilemmas? A few teams did an excellent job, and others should look to them as an example to give guidance on what they are missing. Also, make sure you have the appropriate number of sources. That's 10 sources minimum to be considered for full credit. These sources need to be cited in the text of your presentation or as footnotes on the slide in which they are a part of. You may ask yourself, why is this important? For all practical purposes, it's not. Obviously, in a real presentation to a board of directors, you wouldn't be citing Chairmac's work or most other resources that you use. However, for academic grading purposes, I need to see how the teams are connecting facts, theories, ideas, and dialogue to the information that you present. Also, it would be helpful if everyone gave feedback to other presentations by no later than Friday, so teams can use your feedback in reworking their own presentations. Also, observing what others have done will help your team fill in potential gaps in your own presentation, or prompt questions for clarification to me. Now, obviously this is not mandatory because the due dates for replies has already been set to Sunday, but I want to strongly encourage this. In the end, it's about learning and getting the most out of your money in this course. Now, when viewing other presentations and the sample presentations I have given you guys, you may notice that there's differences. You may ask yourself, why are they different? And what approach will receive the highest grade? Philosophically, there are many ways to get to the top of a mountain, but the summit is the same result. Think about it this way. Members of teams are different. The scenarios and dilemmas are different, so why would the presentation be the same? Now remember, clear critical thinking is just as important as creative thinking in presentations. Your competition will not be making the same presentation. Scenario planning is a form of innovation. Innovation is creating something no one has ever done before. So keep that in mind as you work through the final stages of the scenario planning project. Now let's move on to Assignment 4. Assignment 4 is a reminder of why you need to participate equally throughout the course in the teamwork. I will use the feedback from your group members, your own feedback that you provide on your participation, as well as my own observations to give you a final grade for Assignment 4, which is 50% of your final project. Review Assignment 4 for more details. This Thursday at 6:30 Pacific Standard Time, there will be an optional conference call that I encourage everyone to participate in. It will be an opportunity for you to ask me questions regarding the final assignment or any other aspects of the course. It'll last about 40 minutes. The information to call into the conference will be attached to this announcement. Well, everyone, it's been a pleasure interacting with you throughout the term. My hope is that I've given you the tools to succeed. Now that we've went into detail regarding scenario planning, I want you to understand that this tool can be used in everyday situations, not just critical, researched topics and dilemmas. You should always think about potential scenarios when making any decision. Remember to do your research and evaluate information until you can create your own perspective on an idea or decision. This is how successful people operate in any organizational behavior environment. On another note, If you need to turn in discussions or assignments late, please email me once you have so I can update your grade. Course evaluations are now available. See the link attached for more details. Now, I expect 100% participation in order to design this course better and improve my instruction, or get canned with the rest of the lousy instructors. Well, this is the last time you'll have to see me. If you have any further questions, concerns, or comments, I'm here for your success. It's been a great term, and I wish all of you the best.